Okay, here we go. Okay, this is a Kenmore, model number 158-13360. It's a little bit older machine. I'm not really sure of the date. I think somewhere in the 80s, maybe 70s. Anyway, it's a good solid machine. It'll do multi-layers of fabrics. It's real solid and heavy. It's not like one of the plastic machines you can buy for $100 at Walmart right now. Okay, it's got a it's a freestanding machine. It doesn't need a case. It really doesn't need to go in a case. This pulls off to make a free arm. This has your standard Kenmore style bobbin encasement down here. Anybody familiar with that knows what that's like. Easy to use. This is your dog release. Pull this down and then it'll drop your dogs out. I'll show you that again a little bit later in a close-up. So we're going to go ahead and put this back. Main thing I want to show you here is that this thing actually does work and sew. Okay, I'll show you that the light, and actually the switch works, the light comes on. Already done a couple of passes here. And the threading in this machine is pretty simple. It's all straightforward. It's all in the front. Got one bobbin placement on top. Your bobbin filler is here. You just push this in with the bobbin on it. And of course, loosen your clutch and go ahead and fill your bobbin. Pops out when it's full. And you've got your threading here through the top here, down around the bobbin, up through the little loop there, top loop, deck down, little clip thing there, down right over the needle there's one, and through the needle. And make sure that's tight and we're ready to go. Okay, I've got 3 passes here. I'm going to show you that a little bit later, close up. Like I said, I'll make a pass. And as you can see, this is the pass we just made. Got good clean stitches on the back. And I'm going to do one more of those close-ups so you can see that it really does work here. Once again, I wanted to show you a little bit closer up. But the dog release is here. This loosens this part down here. In case you wanted to embroidery or something, and drop that down over there. It took me a while to figure that out when I first got this, how to do that on this machine. So a little tip for you. Okay, one more time. Go to a little larger stitch. Clip that off. And there you go. Works good. It's for sale. Various locations. Thank you.